Good morning, girls. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the MNS examination paper which is conducted in West Bengal as well as Wayanad district in Kerala. So, already 11th of September 2020, the exam has been finished. So, now we have got the paper which is conducted today in the places that is West Bengal and the district of Kerala, that is Wayanad. So, the shift 1 paper have been discussed. I am very sorry I have got only 15 to 20 questions because the students are very busy. So I just want whoever is watching this to message me or comment me in this section, or you can directly WhatsApp me on my mobile. So the questions are like this. The temple, that is Golden Temple, is situated at which place? It has been asked. We knew that it is located in Amritsar, which is there in the Punjab. And next we have got the slogan that is do or die, which is also known as Karo Ya Maro. So that is Karo Ya Maro is given by whom? That is given by the father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi has been given. So this question, this slogan has been asked in the exams. And whoever is watching, please message me whatever the questions you have gone through, and I want you guys to support me in giving maximum questions. I request you people to send me. And the slogan concerning to the give me your blood and I'll give you freedom. This slogan has been given, and we knew that this slogan has been given by the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, who formed Indian National Army. And previously that Delhi Chalo, and it has been asked in the previous 11th September examination paper. So the paper level is like easy to moderate level, we can tell, whatever has been given in the West Bengal as well as this Wayanad district. So I request, please comment me in this mobile number with which I can help you guys for the more answers. And in the case of current affairs, as you can see, it has been asked as this is one question actually, whatever has been given, its a picture is different, so no worry. The Pakistan, who is the Prime Minister of Australia has been asked. So he is the one actually. And India has banned China's 59 apps. That is Wadia said, we should do this for the sake of the country, breaking ties with the Chinese sponsors in IPL. Country is first, money comes later. So, and this is the Indian Premier League, not the China Premier League. So recently we had breaked up with the Chinese actually. And here the garden city of India has been asked, that is Bangalore is the garden city of India. And next we have asked it is also known as the Silicon Valley of India also. And Chief Minister of West Bengal has been asked, that is Mamata Banerjee is the one who is a Chief Minister of West Bengal. And we understand she is from Trinamool Congress party. And it has been again asked, this is what so Chinese sponsors IPL. This concerning to the IPL question was there. Please send me whatever the question has come. So, and again it has revised questions for examinations. And one question is this: whoever the person had shown by this is Australia's Scottish is the one who is the Prime Minister of Australia. This question has been asked. Rest all content is given is different, so you can directly go through. Please revise whatever the questions have been given. That is very helpful for your examination in the current affairs. And the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh have been asked. That is we are aware that Yogi Adityanath is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, and he is the head of the governor of the Uttar Pradesh. And next we have the Dodabetta peak is which is the highest altitude from the sea level. As we are aware that the question was like this: in South India, which is the highest peak that has been asked. So this is the one, Dodabetta one, which has got the altitude of 8650. Ooty is just followed by this. So Dodabetta is the right answer for this. If you feel that there is any wrong question or something like that, please let me know. And the full form of abbreviation of SBI has been given, that is State Bank of India. And we knew that State Bank of India is the one. And CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbons, the abbreviation also has been given. So as you can see how exactly the question paper has been formulated in the region of West Bengal as well as Kerala. That there I think they may be a little bit lucky because, as compared to the previous one. And we have the abbreviation of EME, that is Electronics and Mechanical Engineers is the full form of EME, which is in the army you will find this EME abbreviation. And the full form of IFA had been asked, that is International Fiscal Association have been given in the full form. So maximum full forms have been given, for 4 to 5 full forms have been given. I request you guys to have a look in playlist where you will find more than 2000 plus question papers. It has been segregated into various playlists. This is my mobile number. You can directly message me or by WhatsApp me for more questions and picturization, you will be explained maximum. That will be very useful for future whoever is aspirants of MNS. So that's it, guys. At present, I have got this many. I'll come with the fresh whatever the first and second and third shift. For that, you can directly subscribe and you can directly go through whatever the YouTube channel previously asked questions. So you can see my YouTube channel as well, where you will find maximum questions. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.